Founded in 1988, Nadco Tapes and Labels specializes in printing and die cutting of adhesive tape and label products for all your packaging demands, recreational needs, safety concerns, and construction applications. With warehouse space of over 35,000 square feet, we are able to stock a wide variety of quality raw materials to include vinyl, foils, medical-grade foam, films, reflectives, gaffers, and paper products of all kinds. Our team members have extensive experience employing different print methods to include flexography, 4-color process and/or up to 7-spot colors, digital printing, VDP printing, screen printing, and even flexo to digital print for stunning graphics on clear labels. Thanks to our high-quality tools and knowledgeable staff, we offer premium die cuts utilizing sheeting, perforating, slitting, scoring, serrating, pin feeding, and even bi-level cutting methods. Our in-house converting department is adept at handling basic and complex converting procedures without sacrificing product quality. This allows us to provide you with products cut to your specific width and length requirements. We offer pressure-sensitive adhesive tapes, or PSA, with or without print in reinforced, unsupported, single and/or double-coated types. Our full-service graphics department is ready to work with your existing designs and/or create brand new ones to suit your needs and highlight your brand. We employ forward thinkers who love a challenge, making us one of the best shops around for prototyping. We help bring your innovation and entrepreneurial drive to reality. We understand how important quality is to you, and we are committed to fulfilling that with our operation, meeting the highest industry standards. Put all this together and you will find Nadco Tapes and Labels Inc. to be a one-stop shop for all your printing, die cutting, converting, and packaging needs. Our customer service department is available Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5 Eastern Standard Time. To learn more, contact us today. And remember, if you can imagine it, Nadco will make it stick.